Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh my gosh.
I already know what it is. We're good. Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, there's.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, there's stuff in there.
Okay.
Been a cucumber.
There's stuff in there.
Oh, there's water or something.
I have absolutely no idea.
This is.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay, so you put the bacon here to cook it.
Do you think you boil it? Like it could get hot? You have to cook bacon hot, right? I mean,
Maybe you can use this to like, I mean, it's not the most eloquent way to cut the cheese, but it is actually cutting the cheese.
I'm so immature.
Does this like come off or no? This is just like a
Obviously.
heavy, sturdy little pan.
Okay, hold on, now it's messy.
Do we think we do something with the pot?
No, I feel like these two are very separate. Oh, two separate things.
Okay.
nuts.
Can I have one? Are these
Yeah, I
edible?
would think they're.
It helps me think to eat.
I mean,
But I don't know what it has to do
I'm
with
so
this.
lost right now.
What is this?
This is really confusing.
This is tough. We are struggling.
It just keeps getting better and better.
It's like the munchie mix.
What do bacon and nuts have in common? Bacon, nuts. This is nuts.
All right.
I got nothing.
No, me neither.
I'm brain freezing on this one.
So wait,
Cocktail, it's like a tray. It's a serving tray.
I really have no clue what this is.
I think it's a freezer thing.
why would you freeze that?
That's why I think if you put this in the freezer for like an hour before you went somewhere, or
Whatever that
couple
liquid
hours,
is inside is the freeze.
Ooh, ooh.
Wait. What if it's for this? I mean, it lifts this up. I don't know what you do with it then.
Do you hear that? The answer is inside of you. Tell us.
so we know for a fact these go together.
Yo!
They're mashers.
Can we pour it into this? And maybe that's something. Oh my god, it's so thick.
I don't know. Something's going on with this where like maybe you freeze.
What?
do it for something like
I
that.
don't know where you're going with this.
Decorating.
That's,
It's an ice. Oh, it's like when you go to those fancy ice cream shops and they
Yeah,
pour it
yeah.
on the cold
and
slab.
it rolls up.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Okay. It's ice cream.
That reminds me of those like ice cream things where it's like the rolled ice cream.
Oh.
Is it? It really is? Oh. Wow. Okay. Heyo.
I was never gonna get there.
Ice cream roller. Yes.
Thank you guys.